Ako po si Lebril Jessa as of August 6, 2025. 11 months na po ako rito. Attendance summary. June 2025, late isa, IR 3, EVR 8. July 2025, late 8, half day isa, IR 2, EVR 5. And August late isa. Ang pinakamataas kong late ay noong July 2025 under 8. My sales is noong May 2025, actual amount is 79,448. Transaction count is 31. June 2025, actual amount is 64,270. Transaction count is 57. July 2025 is actual amount is 62,122. Transaction count is 48. Ang highest sales ko ay noong May 2025 with transaction count of 31. EVR last 5 months, violation then count, incomplete fill out of sales form 19, not encoded consumable 7, not encoded consumable used on system 6, job contract not attached 3, leg neck of duty 2, SOF not attached is 2. EVR last 5 months, violation then count, improper update of journal isa, whiteboard isa, absent without permission isa, incomplete fill out of receipt isa, damage isa, no PR attached isa. Total number of violation, April 2025 is 14, May 18, June 8, July 5. Bumaba ang EVR ko last 5 months. Ang mga EVR ko ay mostly about incomplete fill out of sales form, not encoded consumables, not encoded consumable used on system, job contract not attached. Upang maiwasan ito, double ang pag-check kada gagawin or kung tama or kulang po. Active IR, issue dirty white combi display, then give ideas wall cups, hindi nakalagay sa head mannequin. Deadline by August 4 po. May IR pending ako na 2, overdue ko dito ay 2. Magagawa ito pag dumating po yung deliver sa request po na ipapalit po dun sa may combi display din pagdating po ng head mannequin po. Workshop record 2025, need improvement is sales sublimation by April 15, Father's Day 2025 ng June 6, bestseller A4 noong March 20, election workshop noong March 25. Satisfactory noong election giveaway noong February 6. Then good noong Mother's Day 2023 noong May 2. Sa workshop ko ay may good na isa, satisfactory na isa, need improvements na 4. May improve ko to sa pamamagitan ng explore pa mga bagay at product at proseso sa store. Co-worker review. Average possible 2.73. Possible. Punctuality 2.57. Dependability 2.43. Product knowledge 2.71, work quantity 2.86, solution oriented 2.29, flexibility 2.57, team player 2.71. Good, sales skills 3, work quality 3, communication 3.14. Sa co-workers review ko ay may average ako na 2.73, good is 8, possible of 2. May improve ko to sa pamamagitan ng pag-explore palalo sa mga bagay na nasa loob ng store. Positive comments sa akin ay, you're always ready to pitch in when someone needs help. Just keep going. Negative comments sa akin ay, lacking energy and distracted. General comment is, yung pagiging madaldal ko. Self-awareness, ang dapat ko pa improve is yung more communication at bawasan na pakikipagdaldalan, pagbubutihin ko pa at pagpo-focus ako sa mga bagay na nabanggit tungkol sa akin.